Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chocolate Goddess. Right now, I just got off work. I'm hot. Let me put this car in hot. I'm hot. Don't talk about my hair. I just put my wig on today. I just tried this spray thing. I can't really see it. But to go to the store, I'm about to do these nails because look at this. Somebody look at this. When I get home, and then I'm gonna work out. I gotta go and get this rabbit food from the store, and then I'm gonna work out. So stay tuned. I gotta do my nails. So I'm gonna get this rabbit food. Hello. Who's that? I don't know today. But I'm gonna do my nails first, and then I'm gonna work out. So yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna get her some hay. This rabbit is like having a child. Like all she do is eat. Like she don't do nothing else but eat. This rabbit. Get a bag food. Look at these. They sell them in the store. Look how cute they are. Look at them when he's sleeping. Look at that. Oh, not the machine trying to make feel like I'm broke or whatever. Cause I went and she was like, swipe. And then she was like, you gonna swipe to the chip. I'm just like, the fuck? Like, bitch, I got money on my motherfucking car. Like, the fuck? Nah, but it worked though, so we good. We good or whatever. Finally at home, this is what she does to the bag when I don't open it. She's a very impatient rabbit. Get it, Nix. Open it. Open it up. And that's my daughter in the background playing a game. Say, Mom, I want you to open it. I'm not opening it. Get it. Get out my bag. Alright, I'm opening it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If y'all see me looking this way, it's because bitch figured out how to have my phone flip and look at myself at the same time. I'm going to do my nails. I really need to get these done because somehow this morning I had nails. Now, bitch don't have none no more. Fucking crazy. I think it's crazy. Anyways, and then I'm going to do my lace over. I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on, can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see. Yeah, I did it this morning. I did it in a rush. So, I'm going to do that over. And I'm going to put that on the camera. So, basically, this is how you say it? A baddie's reset on a Friday because I got to work tomorrow. So, I would say a reset on a Friday. So, yeah. So, stay tuned.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the save. Got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm tryna stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap.
Alright, so now that I got my nails done, I did my nails, I feel like a bad bitch all over again, of course. But, that's why I got cleaned up after I did my nails. I did this shit my own. But, I think I did a pretty good job. I'm not really, I'm very frugal. Yeah, I'm not going to every 2 weeks paying $60 when I could put that $60 in my pocket, buy my own stuff, and do my nails. It shouldn't be that hard. And I don't have to wait for nobody. I can do my own comfort home. But now, let's see if the laces melt with this spray that I showed you guys. Ow! Ow! Oh my gosh! Maybe I should If it ain't milk before, it's melted now. Okay. Maybe I can do something with this spray. Alright. Dude. That shit hurt. That hurt. Alright, guys. So, now you see I just hurt my freaking self. Am I gonna do baby hairs? I don't know. Right now, it's still sticky. Oh, I don't put the mousse on, made it more sticky.
Back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave.
Sometimes I like to sing. Just off the strength, it's like one of those, I sing out the room. That's what I do. I like doing that. So, that's one thing I like to do. Fun fact, I like to sing out the room. Oh, gosh.
Too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. Too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected.
Okay.
That cat, hey, she love how I'm making her wet, hey, you know how sticky it get, hey. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid, and free big slime out the cage, and shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed, cause every song that I made was ringing like I got engaged. I love my guys, I wouldn't trade, ay, from the cradle to the grave, ay, Gordo got me on a wave, and got me on a wave, couple hits, now you brave, wait, you niggas better behave, but all that pumping up your chest, but all that talk about the best, but you know how sticky it gets.
Look, this is the finishing touch, like I did something. But look, I only like Amazon wig, y'all. Amazon. Now get. See, it still flows.
It's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do severe.
Okay. Lace wear. Y'all see it? If y'all see it, let me know. Cause I don't see it. Yeah. I'm gonna wipe that sticky stuff off my face. Other than that, that bitch getting ready for bed. This is how I get ready for bed. Nah, but this is basically how I reset. And I don't even know if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow or should I? I think I should vlog tomorrow. I don't know if it's gonna be a weekly. I don't know if it's gonna be a daily. I don't really know what type of vlog this is gonna be. But just stay fucking tuned. And now that y'all see a bad bitch, thanks for tuning in, and I will see y'all probably in the next clip, alright?